How do I enable 5G on my iPhone 11?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to learn how to enable 5G on your iPhone 11. As 5G can provide faster data speeds, it's an awesome feature to have. However, before we dive in, it's important to note that iPhone 11 does not support 5G. Apple introduced 5G capabilities starting with the iPhone 12 series. If you have an iPhone 12 or later, this guide will be helpful. Now, let's get started.
Verifying your phone's model.
Before we proceed, we need to confirm your iPhone model. This is crucial because, as mentioned, 5G is only available on iPhone 12 and later models. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Tap About. Look for the model name. If your model name is iPhone 12 or later, you can proceed to the next section.
Checking 5G network availability.
Now, we need to ensure your area has 5G coverage and your cellular plan supports it. Reach out to your cellular service provider to confirm if your current plan supports 5G and if it's available in your area. Remember, even if your iPhone supports 5G, you won't be able to use it if your cellular service doesn't support 5G or if there's number 5G coverage in your area.
Enabling 5G on your iPhone.
If you've confirmed that you have an iPhone model that supports 5G and your cellular plan and area have 5G coverage, follow these steps to enable 5G. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap Cellular. Tap Cellular Data Options. Tap Voice and Data. Select 5G on or 5G Auto depending on your preference. And that's how you enable 5G on your iPhone. Remember, 5G is a feature available only on iPhone 12 and later models, and its use also depends on your cellular plan and area coverage. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and stay connected.